Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you add so many photos or 2 or 3 photos in your Instagram story. In a single story, how can you add 2 photos or 3 photos or 4 photos in that story? So let's start this video from here. Make sure that you have updated your Instagram application from your app store. If you don't, just go on your app store and install the application first. Update it the latest version of Instagram. After that, what we have to do, we have to go on our Instagram here like this is my Instagram page, or I'm an artist page. So I will swipe to the left for the story and select a photo. Like this is the photo I want to select. I will just make this photo small here, and I'm gonna add the second photo from here. For this, you have to click on the third option called stickers here. Scroll down and you will see an album option on the left. Click on this and you can just add your second photo from this menu. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the best video with all of you.